WDAY stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. So I'm answering whether I'm buying, whether I'm not. So watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end. It's taken me 5 years to make 40,000 videos, you know, and I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made. So I've seen what's making me money, what is not, and what's noise and what is not. Beforehand, ultimately, yeah, this is a bigger of a correction than I was expecting. Well, I was waiting for a pull down and a double break. Didn't quite happen, but it's nothing unusual since we broke up structure beforehand quite hard. With this in mind, we can argue this is a great demand zone, so even like in here, as long as I see the confirmation taking place, then I'm going to buy. But last thing I'm doing is randomly getting involved in buying like a madman, right? So that's why I'm waiting for the rules. Sure, it's been just, obviously there's receipts in the Discord about WDAY. I'm lying to you, there's none. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.